So here in front of me, I've got some of the safety equipment that we use here in the hybrid area. Over here, I have the insulated tools. So I have insulated sockets, wrenches, and torque wrench that allow us to do the connections up of the battery safely. In front, I have 2 sets of gloves used for different situations. I have the leather gloves here, which would be used to pick a battery up. As you can see on the battery, it's got sharp metal edges that could cut your hands. So it's very important to have those. We also have the rubber gloves here. These rubber gloves would be used when you're doing insulation testing or interacting with high voltage components. We then have the safety hook. This is used in a situation where someone is getting shocked. A third party can come in and pull them off the battery. Lastly, we have an arc rated safety helmet that will protect an operator from arc flash. This is just some of the equipment that we use in the hybrid area. Other workshops should consider having safety gear when carrying out work on hybrid and electric vehicles.